Are you looking to showcase your WooCommerce products in an attractive and engaging way? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of creating a simple WooCommerce product slider using the free Prime Slider plugin. Once you're logged into your WordPress dashboard, head over to the plugin section and click on Add New. In the search bar, type Prime Slider and hit Enter. Install the plugin. In the Elementor panel, choose the desired structure for your slider section. Scroll through the widget categories, look for the Prime Slider widget. Simply drag and drop it onto your page layout. In the widget interface, you can customize the appearance, choose the products to include, and configure other settings. You can hide the slider's elements if they are not needed. Within the Prime Slider widget settings, you will find style options. You can change the font style, color, and various other styles. Make the desired adjustments to customize the Prime Slider style according to your preferences. There is another slider style available. Let's try it out. The woocommerce slider has a unique and distinctive layout. It is specifically designed to establish a direct connection with your users and encourage them to make decisions more efficiently. This slider provides a minimalistic yet visually appealing way to deliver content. Its options are similar to the previous one. Feel free to experiment with different settings and preview your slider to ensure it looks just the way you want it to. By following these simple steps and using the Prime Slider plugin, you can create a stunning WooCommerce product slider to showcase your products effectively. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful WooCommerce tips and tutorials. Happy selling!